And let me share with you my personal feelings since the first time I've been in Montenegro was only 6 months ago. I heard a lot about the Montenegro, I heard from the Foreign Office, I heard from Yasha, but our feeling was the first time to be expressed here in April in Passover, and we were the host of the mayor of Podgorica. And let me tell you this opportunity, and I shared with Menachem, will tell you about the activities, and on behalf of our chairman and co-chairman who had a wonderful time here in Podgorica, we'd like to thank you very, very much. A lot of thanks. And we say in Hebrew, well done, Yishar Koach. Because of your cooperation and your vision, and you said, we want to see an office in the Balkan, the entire Balkan here in Montenegro, we took the initiative, and together with Yasha and the local Jewish community, thanks God, Shehecheyanu, we have now in less than 6 months, we have already a headquarters of the entire Balkan here in Montenegro, and you and the government of Montenegro. We met the president, we have the speaker of the house, we met the prime minister, we have the minister of agriculture, and here the environment minister. And together I'm sure we shall continue to develop from strength to strength the relationship between the state of Israel and Montenegro and the Balkan. Thank you very much for the cooperation, and it's only the beginning. And I'm sure every week now and every month people around the Balkan will come to see and use our facilities. And I invite all of you to Israel and to see our 113 years of experience of building, developing the land of Israel to make it a better green and ecological aspect. Toda rabba, and thank you very much.